the cake keyboard. It's YUNZI time again. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We have the cutest keyboard from YUNZI yet, period. It's the cake keyboard. It's freaking adorable. It's on sale for $91. We got some kitty keycaps, little feet, and a panda pin from YUNZI. YUNZI employee number 1. Let's go. This is my new rank. Welcome, Sergeant First Class YUNZI CEO's son. Noodle Nick. I'm just kidding. I'm not the CEO of YUNZI's son. Look at it. Look at that cute little face. Don't you just want to eat that? Oh, wow. Isn't that cute? I love it. What is this? It's a cake. It's actually a card. Like a gift card, I guess, if you want to buy it for somebody. Stickers! YUNZI sticker. Oh, you gotta put one. The keyboard. Oh, it's a little copy of it. Maybe I'll put it on Alien. Oh, it's a little guy. It's crooked. Fuck. That's okay. This room is so small! Next up, there's a mouse pad. Let's go, baby. Let's take a look at that. This is just perfect for somebody's birthday, you know what I mean? Like, it comes with a mouse pad and a keyboard. This would be like the cutest thing to give somebody for like their desk setup at work or whatever, you know? There she is, the kitty. Look. Come on, dude, admit it. Admit that's the freaking most adorable keyboard you've ever seen. Look at the edges. Look at that. I bet RGB comes out of that. Oh. Tri-mode, Type-C, like a little sandwich. Look at the back, rubber feet, and like a candy cane, a cat tail probably. That's probably the cat's tail. That would make sense. And then there's a dongle in there. And is that? I think it's a little fish dongle. Hold on. It's a little fish, because you're a cat and you eat. That's adorable as heck. Can I turn it on? I'm just gonna turn it on. Look at that. Whoa! I didn't even notice that. Whoa! Whoa! I didn't see that. Snake. Whoa. Whoa, I didn't think there was going to be RGB in the face. Look. Oh yeah, this thing is freaking cooking now, dude. That's some crazy RGB, bro. Look at that. That is just, even I might say that's a little extra. Accessories with the little kitty on it. We have 2 extra switches and they're pink. Big hype. In that you can either get the Milk V2 linear switch, I'll put the information for that one up on the screen, or you can also get the YUNZI Candy linear switch, and then also extra keycap in a massive sandwich bag. Personally, I prefer the ones that are on here already, but these are a little bit of replacements in case you're interested. Keycap switch puller, and we have a braided cable, gold plated. This is fancy, bro. What the heck? That's max wingspan pretty much. Nice. This is like by far the artsiest, cutest keyboard. Anybody that likes cute kitty stuff or cake, you're gonna love this keyboard. I don't know what else to say. And it comes with like a little card inside that you can write a note or whatever. It comes with a mouse pad. It's a really good gift option, definitely. But if you just want it for yourself because it's adorable, I recommend the beige one because I like the face on this one the most. I was not expecting there to be RGB all around the edges. When I saw the picture of it, all I saw really was the front, like on the website. It didn't really show like all this, so I was like, that's pretty cool. I love the color scheme. It's just adorable. And then the keycaps themselves like hug your fingers and stuff. Very impressed. $91. Talk about specs on it real quick. It also comes in 4 colors: pink, beige, blue, and purple. Okay, so YUNZI C75 is a 75% layout, 84 keys, south-facing RGB, side light, and a face light. It's 5500 mAh battery, comes in tri-mode, Bluetooth, wireless, wired. It's 1008 grams, or about 2.2 freedom units. It's hot swappable switches, and that is all the nerdy stuff. Now let's see how it sounds, shall we? Now that is stock. Whoa. Now we know how it sounds, we know how it looks, we know how the RGB works, we have a mouse pad, we have everything we need to absolutely crush it in Marvel Rivals. So let's head over there and see how this thing feels while gaming. I'll see you there. Oh! Alright, let's do this. It's kitty cat time. I got my little mouse pad and everything, man. I'm ready.
Got it?
That's good.
You're funny, bro.
Quite an efficient machine. Ruin don't please me. Healing. Why would I need healing?
That was too easy.
Your face was already sealed. Quite an efficient machine.
Wait, we're kind of cooking? Wait a minute. You know what? Both of y'all get cooked. I'll do it manually.
So close! This is your big chance!
Not today.
How'd that count? How'd that count? He was dedicated. He was dedicated. I respect that.
Get that vehicle moving again!
That's a bad thing.
Oh my god. We are not doing well.
Get that vehicle moving again! Go down, Sean.
Extermination! Supernova!
Got another comeback.
Covered!
I thought I had her. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, bro. Can't get me. I'm up here. Can't find me. I'm up here now. Bye. I'm going up here now. Ah! I'm up here now. Can't find me. I'm going up on the roof now. You don't know where I am. Now I'm behind you. Bet you didn't expect me to be here.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Ah! I heard the judge, jury, executioner, and I still went out there. Oh my god. Okay, we can't group up like this. This is not ideal. So far, no one has noticed me here, which is very good. Did we get it? Yo, there's no way, right? Yeah, let's go! Dude, I thought we lost that one for sure, bro. Admit it, I'm cooking with that Jeff movement, dude. Cake keyboard, yes. It looks so good, I want to eat it. YUNZI C75, buy it. It's cute, it made me win. Smash like, subscribe. Tech review playlist. Keyboard man out. Thanks for watching. Leave a like.